Welcome to the bidding module dashboard. This is the central place where all active and submitted bids are displayed. To create a new bid, the logistics team clicks on the Create Bid option. While creating a bid, the user enters essential information including bid details, transporter details, material information, and route details. After filling in all the required fields, the user can review and verify the bid details to ensure accuracy. Once verified, the bid is submitted. The newly created bid is now visible on the bidding module dashboard. The submitted bid is also available on the transporter dashboard, where transporters can view complete information, including sales order and bid details. By clicking the Bid Now button, the transporter can participate in the bidding process by entering their bid amount. This streamlined bidding process ensures transparency, efficiency, and seamless collaboration between the logistics team and transporters. Welcome to the Order Management System, the centralized platform designed to simplify and optimize logistics operations. Here, the logistics team can intelligently assign orders based on each transporter's performance, capacity, and availability, ensuring faster, smarter decision-making. Transporters gain full control over their operations, from managing assigned orders to clubbing multiple orders for efficient trips. The system enables seamless vehicle allocation, driver assignment, and real-time order tracking, all from a single intuitive dashboard. Every activity related to an order, planning, execution, and monitoring is streamlined to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and ensure on-time delivery. Let's see how the logistics user can create and manage truck slots. Create a slot, click on Add New Slot. A pop-up screen will open. Here, the logistics user fills the necessary details such as depot transporter material, state truck requirement. The logistics user can also set the maximum number of trucks per transporter to control overbooking. After filling all details, click on Submit. Slot status. When a slot is created by the logistics user, it becomes available for the transporter. When the transporter logs into the system, they can view the available slots shared by logistics. By clicking on the slot, the transporter can see the slot details. After selecting the required vehicles, the transporter clicks on Allocate Truck. Once the trucks are allocated, the commitment is completed successfully. The slot status is updated and the logistics user can now see the committed transporter details. This helps logistics and transporters work together smoothly and plan truck movement better. As the vehicle arrives at the plant yard, PLMS automatically detects the vehicle number using FASTag/. The system instantly records the yard in time and places the vehicle into the digital yard queue. PLMS manages vehicle sequencing automatically based on predefined business rules. When it is the vehicle's turn, PLMS calls the truck on the yard display board. The driver views the call and moves the vehicle out from the parking yard toward the assigned zone. As the vehicle exits the yard, PLMS updates the status from yard in to yard out. Logistics users can track every vehicle movement in real time through the PLMS dashboard. The dashboard displays the vehicle number, yard in time, current status, and linked DOS/DI details. This keeps yard operations aligned, visible, and smoothly coordinated. After completing yard out, the driver collects the automatically generated IGP from the kiosk. At the plant entry, safety checks are mandatory for every vehicle and driver. First, the PPE kit is checked to ensure the driver is wearing all required safety gear. Next, a driver alcohol check is conducted to confirm the driver is not under the influence of alcohol. Then the driver's driving license and the vehicle condition are checked to ensure the vehicle is safe to enter the plant. These safety checks help prevent accidents, protect people inside the plant, and ensure safe and smooth vehicle movement. Once all checks are successfully completed, the vehicle is eligible for gate-in. The vehicle approaches the weighbridge for tare weight capture. As the vehicle reaches the weighbridge, the RFID system automatically detects the vehicle. Once identified, the boom barrier opens, allowing the vehicle to move onto the weighbridge. The driver positions the vehicle at the center of the weighbridge. PLMS checks that the vehicle is properly aligned and the weight is stable. The system then automatically captures the tare weight. After successful tare weight capture, the system updates the record. Now, after the tare weight is captured, an automatic announcement is made in the packing plant, guiding the vehicle to proceed to the assigned loading point.
गाड़ी संख्या 8 6 4 2 G 1 0 9 3 2 का पैकिंग सफलतापूर्वक हो गया है। कृपया अपनी गाड़ी को लोडर संख्या 01 पर लोडिंग के लिए ले जाएं।
The auto bag placement system guides bags directly onto the vehicle, ensuring correct positioning. Bag placement happens in a controlled and continuous flow, matching the vehicle's loading requirement. The system monitors bag movement in real time and ensures uniform distribution across the truck. To support accurate dispatch and better plant visibility, our system provides multiple bag counting solutions based on plant requirements. The 3 bag counting methods are load cell based counting, sensor or proximity based counting, camera based AI bag counting, load cell based bag counting. In the load cell based method, bags are counted using weight measurement. As bags are loaded, the system calculates the count based on total weight. This method is reliable for bulk and continuous loading operations. Sensor proximity based bag counting. In the sensor-based method, proximity sensors detect each bag as it passes through the conveyor. Every detected bag is counted in real time. This solution is simple, fast, and effective for high-speed bag movement. Camera AI-based bag counting. In the camera AI solution, cameras detect and count bags visually using artificial intelligence. Each bag is identified accurately, even at high speed. The live count is displayed on the dashboard for plant operators. These bag counting solutions improve accuracy, reduce losses, and give plant teams real-time visibility, helping ensure smooth and efficient dispatch operations. Let's see how Auto MRP monitoring helps the plant team monitor MRP printing and maintain quality. On the dashboard, the plant team can configure MRP settings such as quantity, DI number, etc. As production runs, our AI solution automatically checks the MRP print quality on each bag. It identifies whether the MRP print is okay or not okay without manual inspection. The dashboard clearly highlights the MRP status in real time, making it easy for operators to monitor the process. This brings transparency to the plant floor, as issues are visible immediately. It helps the team take quick corrective action, reduce rework, and avoid dispatch errors. Overall, this improves print accuracy, operational efficiency, and quality control. Let's see how precise chute alignment is achieved. As the truck enters the loading bay, the TV displays live chute alignment status. Real-time alignment feedback assists the driver in accurate positioning. Once the chute and vehicle are perfectly aligned, the system gives clearance and loading starts. After loading is completed, the vehicle moves towards the weighbridge for gross weight capture. The RFID reader identifies the vehicle as it approaches. Once verified, the boom barrier opens and the vehicle enters the weighbridge. The driver aligns the vehicle at the center of the weighbridge. PLMS waits for the weight to stabilize and confirms valid weighing conditions. The system then automatically captures the gross weight. The gross weight is recorded against the same vehicle transaction. PLMS verifies that all mandatory steps are completed and confirms the vehicle is eligible for gate out. PLMS ensures every vehicle movement is digitally tracked, verified, and controlled from entry to exit. This completes a smooth system-driven logistics flow powered by Amazon. Have a look of our advanced packer efficiency analytics platform. The system continuously tracks bag inserter and packer performance in real time, delivering actionable insights through live and historical efficiency dashboards. With data-driven visibility at every stage, you can quickly identify bottlenecks, optimize productivity, and drive continuous improvement. Now let's look at how this system helps improve overall operational efficiency. This view provides real-time visibility into the performance of plant equipment and devices. It shows important information such as device uptime, current status, and whether each device is running, idle, or offline. With real-time status updates, operations teams can quickly identify issues instead of waiting for manual checks. The system also helps track performance trends over time, making it easier to spot unusual behavior. Based on these patterns, potential downtime can be predicted in advance, allowing teams to take preventive action. This reduces unexpected breakdowns, minimizes production loss, and improves maintenance planning. Overall, this helps ensure smoother operations, better equipment utilization, and more reliable plant performance.